The spread operator allows you to expand iterable objects like arrays or objects. You can imagine it just gets the data inside the brackets or curly braces and puts it somewhere else. The spread operator is represented by 3 dots, and when it's used on this code for the original array variable, it's just getting the values inside the brackets. So when cloned array is logged, it outputs the same data that's in original array. So in this code, we're using the spread operator to merge array 1 and array 2 to make merged array. You can see when merged array is logged, we get the combination of both arrays. This can also be done for objects. It can also be used to update data. We can see that the person object has an age of 30. We can get all this data and put it in a new object. If both objects have a similar property, the newer property is used to update the old property. So when updated person is logged, the age is 31.